Hey there, my name's David. On this episode of Unusual Foods, I'll be doing a taste test of what's in here, the black soybean. It wasn't really all that prolific. There wasn't that many. I probably have, I don't know how many beans, with 30 or 40. Not a lot of production, so I probably won't grow it again just because it obviously doesn't grow all that well in my climate. But when I harvested them, they weren't actually black. So there was some black spots on them. They're more of like a purplish, dark purplish kind of color. And then when they're cooked, you can see here, they're like a greenish olive color. So that purplish went away and now it's kind of greenish. So we'll do a taste test of this. It smells really good. It smells actually like chicken. I haven't eaten chicken in 5 years. But that smells exactly like chicken. Oh my God. It tastes like chicken. It's so weird. That's so bizarre. It's so bizarre. I haven't had chicken in 5 years. That tastes exactly like chicken. It tastes like, well, I mean, so the bean itself is very creamy. Probably one of the creamiest beans I've ever had. And then it just has like it's chicken. It tastes like chicken. It smells like chicken. Just the texture is not chicken. If you like put this in a dish, people would swear there's chicken in there. I got one last bean in here. Wow, this is weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to grow this again next year because I really liked the taste of chicken when I had it back in the day, but when I ate meat, and this is a really nice like replacement because it just tastes, it's like exactly the same. It's just you don't obviously have the same fibery strands of meat texture, but the taste is bang on. The smell, it's like, I'm blown away. This is really crazy. So we learned a little bit about the black soybean. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and until next one, have a great day.